away, deep in the queerwood forest, on a tall queerwood tree, lives a cute little squirrel named Nutsell. Nuts! Nuts! I'm a squirrel nutty about nuts. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, when I see a little nut, when I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut.
Nutsell! 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 Where are you? Oh, there you are! What are you doing there?
What is it now, Fruitsell?
A cloud! A cloud has stopped by a tree.
What?
Yippee! Let's go!
After you take off that silly hat.
What? Of course not! It's my lucky hat!
Okay.
Let's go!
Not without you, my delicious nuts.
Hurry, Nutsell!
See, there they go on an adventure again. Look, Fruitsell.
Look, Nutsell. Just look around.
By the way, Fruitsell, any idea where we are?
In the Anytime Magic Rainland.
What a place! Anytime Magic Rainland. I wonder why this place has such a funny name.
You'll soon know, Nutsell.
Someone up there knows my name. Huh, Fruitsell?
Say something, Fruitsell. You've hardly opened your mouth since you've come here.
Yes. What's all this noise about? And why are you in such a hurry?
It is going to rain. My animals. I got to hurry to my farm and get all the animals under a roof before it rains. Shh. There isn't any space for so many of us.
Hey, I want to get wet.
You cannot get wet in these rains.
Why?
These are magical rains.
Magical? What is magical about the rain? It looks like any other rainfall.
Shh. Hey, Fruitsell, where did that elf go?
Where did the rain go? Oh my! The little fellow is surely in a great hurry.
Come, let us look around this magical place.
Nutsell, look at that silly butterfly.
Look there, just knew it! Woo-ho, ding-dang, ding-dang, choo, ding-dang, bingle, pincher, true! Let's find out what happened.
Wow! We disappeared from there and appeared here.
Spoof! Just like that?
What happened? Dear? Winky. Dear Winky?
Look at this place. This place is such a mess. I was fast. I was really fast delivering the eggs to Silly Sally, giving Mr. Monnet milk. Miss Moody, cow's milk, Grouchy Child with grains, and yet, look at the mess.
What mess?
Look, see there. Look at my farm animals.
What?
Hey, this is really funny. Look at the animals. They all look funny, as if they have become stupid.
As if they've lost their senses and
They are all colorless. What happened to them? Where has their color gone? The magic rain washes off colors.
oh, thank God, I did not get wet.
If you would have stepped out, you would have lost your memory. Imagine how you would look, all colorless.
That's a lamb. A lamb says, "Ba, ba." It bleats. This lamb, it goes to a cow thinking cow is its mother. And it's going to eat a bone.
There's the bigger problem. The rains make the animals muddled. Their memories get mixed up. Now the horse will go to the sty and the pig will try to give milk. The cow will wonder where its wool is. It is a very big mess. A bad mess. Oh, hum, ding, dang, hing, jam, choo. Fickle, fish, foo. What will you do now with all your farm animals becoming, funny? I will have to run around the farm and set things right with my magic set-it-right wand.
Wow! Magic wand!
Yippee! Let us do it for you.
Please?
Please, please. But do you know enough about farm animals to use my magic set-it-right wand? It hates being given wrong instructions. No, don't worry. Fruitsell and I know all about farm animals.
Yes, we do.
Okay, all right. But remember, no playing mischief with the set-it-right wand. It is not a toy. What you have to do is point the set-it-right wand at the thing you want to make right and say it loud and clear what you wanted to do. Like this. Little lamb, don't say bow wow. Dogs say that. You are a lamb, a sheep's baby, so you bleat. So you should say, there's your mother, a sheep. And you never eat a bone. You eat grass. Winky, Winky, let us do it. You take rest. You need rest.
You are tired.
Yes, I am tired. And off I go to bed.
Let's go there.
Which animal are you? You have a tail and a woolly coat on your body. So, you are a sheep. Yes, a sheep.
You give us wool so that we can make sweaters and warm woolen clothes.
You bleat. You also say meh, meh. Go on, eat your grass. And there's your little lamb. We've set it right. We've set these fuzzy animals right. I'm so happy.
A sheep's little one is a lamb. A sheep bleats. It eats grass. It gives us wool.
I am next. No, cow, we've not forgotten you.
How nice you look, with your tail so long and such lovely horns.
Say moo. A cow always moos.
That's good. Say moo again. Moo.
Stop it, Nutsell. No bone for you. You eat grass, remember? You give us milk, and that's where you live, in a shed. See, there's your calf. It was inside, so it did not lose its memory.
Good calf.
A cow's little one is a calf. A cow moos. It eats grass. It lives in a cowshed. It gives us milk.
One more funny animal set right at the farm.
Time to move on. Hey, you are a horse. And here's your color.
The horse is moving its tail to tell us how happy we've made him. Its mane is shining too.
Yes, you are making the correct sound. You neigh. You are a horse. You like to eat green grass. When we tie you to that cart, you help Winky carry huge loads of wheat and grains around the village.
And you give Winky's little ones rides too, isn't it?
Look there. There's your little one, a foal.
Do you know where you stay? That's where, in a stable.
I would love to take a ride.
No, you don't. We should be quick before Winky wakes up.
Ah, all right.
A horse has a lovely mane and a long tail. It lives in a stable. It pulls carts and carriages.
There is more for us to do.
Stop. Take this. I see you are already with your mother, with the hen. But little chicks, you don't live here. Mother hen, take your little ones to your coop. Hens live in a coop. Go there. Your favorite food, grains and seeds are there.
Please don't forget, you have to lay eggs too. Winky will come by early morning tomorrow to collect them.
A hen lives in a coop. A hen gives us eggs. The young ones of a hen are called chicks.
I wonder where the cock is. Here it is. You are a cock. Say cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh my! Cocks crow.
One more work done.
A cock is a grown-up male chicken. It is a low-flying bird. It perches on rooftops.
You are ducks. You have a beak and wings. You love to swim in the water, don't you? And there are your ducklings. What do ducks say?
They quack.
Say quack quack.
A duck lives near water. It has webbed feet. A duck's little ones are called ducklings.
Pigs don't stay in water. They stay in a sty.
That's better.
Ouch! Ah!
Pigs have a curly tail.
And they're also very fat.
Don't grunt. That's the sound pigs are supposed to make. Nutsell, not you.
Ducks have webbed feet to help them swim in water. You do not have webbed feet.
Come on, say oink, oink. And by the way, where are your little ones? Where are the piglets?
You don't know?
What are we waiting for? Let's look all over the farm for them.
I can see the cow and its little calf in the cowshed.
And there, near the stable where they live, is the horse with its foal.
And the sheep and her lambs are there.
The ducks are with their ducklings.
But where are the piglets?
Where have we reached now?
Hey dog, you are outside your home, your kennel. Why do you look so sad? Why don't you bark? Oh no! Cows moo. Dogs say bow, roar. They bark. So dear dog, bark. Your puppies heard you.
Your little ones, your puppies were clever. They stayed inside the kennel, so they did not get wet in the magical rains. Yeah, eat a bone to be happy.
A dog's little one is a puppy. A dog lives in a kennel. It barks. It loves to eat bones.
Fruitsell, did you know that rabbits make no sound?
Of course, I know that. I know everything about farm animals.
A rabbit has long ears and a short bob tail. A rabbit hops. It makes no sound.
Look around. There is someone fighting.
Hey donkey! And you goat! Why are you two fighting? Nutsell, zap there. There is a goat's baby. That's called a kid, huh? Zap it. And zap that baby donkey too. No, no. A kid is a goat's young one, not yours. See its ears, its tail, and how can this one be your baby? See that young one? It looks exactly like you. That's your baby. Pray all you want. Eat your favorite green grass and help Winky by helping him carry his load.
It's fun at the funny farm.
A donkey can carry very heavy loads of weight. A donkey brays.
The goat is bleating happily too.
Mr. Goat, grass is your favorite food, isn't it? Like nuts are mine.
A goat's young one is a kid. A goat bleats. It is a plant eater.
Got you, kitten? Where's your mother? The cat?
Oh my!
The cat thinks piglets are her little ones.
Say meow. Cat, say meow.
There are your kittens.
A cat's young one is a kitten. A cat mews. It likes to drink milk.
Don't thank us. We are glad you found your little ones. We have done a good job, haven't we? You sure have. And I'm going to give you a wonderful treat. Oops! Little one on the farm, we forgot you.
You are a mouse.
Thank you, Nutsell. Thank you, Fruitsell. I will always remember you too.
Bye, Winky.
Bye, Winky. Bye, Set It Right Wand. We loved using you. Bye-bye. What's happening?
The cloud is going to move. We better get out and go home. Hurry! Leave before the cloud moves on.
How?
We'll open one of the doors.
Try this one.
Found it! Jump! Hurry!
Oh no!
Ouch!
Nutsell, is that you?
Yes, Mom.
Where were you?
Where was I? Oh, close by, Mom. Having a good time. We did have a good time, didn't we, friend? See you soon. Far, far away, deep in the Quillwood forest, On a tall queerwood tree lives a cute little squirrel named Nutsell. Nuts! Nuts! I'm a squirrel nutty about nuts. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, when I see a little nut, when I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut, I jump with joy. When I see a little nut.
Nutsell! 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 Where are you? Oh, there you are! What are you doing there?
What is it now, Fruitsell?
A cloud! A cloud has stopped by a tree.
What?
Yippee!
Let's go!
After you take off that silly hat.
What? Of course not! It's my lucky hat!
Okay.
Let's go!
Not without you, my delicious nuts.
Hurry, Nutsell!
See, there they go on an adventure again. Which magical place have we landed in this time?
Nutsell, have you landed in a nest too?
Yes, this place is full of nests. That means we are in Brody's Birdland.
Brody's Birdland? It's full of birds and I can't see a single bird around.
Fruitsell, how will you see anything if you don't get out of that nest?
All right.
The King Brody loves birds. He has invited every type of bird to live in his land.
Show me one type at least.
Look, one more type of bird nest.
Nests on tree branches. More in tree holes. Birds build nests everywhere.
I wonder where the birds are.
That's what I want to know.
Chili! Yuck! Oops! Bird droppings!
No screaming, no shouting in Brody's Birdland. Loud noises disturb our birds.
Okay. Got you!
No catching birds. No catching birds.
But it was following us.
No catching birds.
Why are you following us?
I wasn't following you.
You liar?
Okay. I was. But who else would I have followed? There isn't anybody.
Where is everybody? Something funny going on here. Parrot Ball, why are you here? Why did you leave your home?
To look for my parents. Kilo.
But they told you to stay at home. You know, they were called by Brody to the palace. All the birds have been called there today.
But why? Why has Brody called all the birds?
Brody was very upset and very angry that everyone in the world knows so little about birds and that they disturb birds and catch them also. He called all the birds today to tell them about a new law of this land.
What law?
Whoever enters Brody's land has us to answer Brody's questions about birds.
And if they don't,
They stay here forever. Oh no!
oh no.
You don't know enough about birds?
I only know that those things flying in the air are birds.
And I know about tokens because there is one living on our tree.
Ask us about tokens.
Well, what do you know about tokens? Tokens have a huge, brightly colored beak.
Beak is almost 1/3 of a token's body length.
It likes to live with other birds. It is social, but it is a poor flyer. It moves by hopping around trees.
It roosts, that is, it lives and lays its eggs in tree holes.
Tokens love fruits, but also eat bird eggs, insects, and even tree frogs. Tokens are social birds and eat seeds and insects. That's about tokens. But what about birds like eagles, penguins, kiwi? We have never seen these birds.
Never heard about them?
You are in trouble for sure. And so are you, naughty Paul.
Kilo, help me back home. Please, Kilo.
All the birds are back. I have to meet them, talk to them.
My parents are also back. Take me home.
Help us!
Help us. No, I can't. I have to go.
I want to go home.
I want to go back home.
Me too. I want to go to my mommy and daddy.
Stop crying, the two of you. I have an idea. Listen, Paul, you tell us about your uncles and aunties, and we will help you find your way back home. How about that?
Yes. Yes.
Paul, be our teacher.
Okay, students. Are you ready? Look carefully. I am a bird. A warm-blooded animal with wings, feathers, and a beak. I belong to the parrot family. I have a distinct hooked beak and green feathers. I have clawed feet to help me perch on trees where I live.
What do you like to eat?
We parrots eat everything. Fruits, chilies, everything except chocolates, avocado fruit, and fried foods. Okay?
Parrots may be the best talkers of all the birds, easily learning hundreds of words and other sounds.
For your information, birds do have a tongue and taste buds.
And teeth.
What? We birds have no teeth.
Birds don't have teeth?
No.
Do all birds have feathers?
Yes. Of different sizes and colors.
Feathers help birds fly, isn't it?
Yeah. They help us keep warm too.
Parrot Paul, why do you walk? Why can't you fly?
Of course we parrots fly. Like other birds, we too have strong hollow bones filled with air. We have powerful flight muscles too. Our strong hearts and breathing system help us fly.
Then why aren't you flying?
To give you company,
If we had hollow bones filled with air, we wouldn't walk.
Come on, spread your wings, flap them and fly. Do all birds fly?
no, all birds cannot fly. Some birds are flightless. See that kiwi running fast? There, it cannot fly.
It is so small and it does not have a tail.
Wow! What a long pointed bill. It even has nostrils at the end of the beak. What does it use it for?
To burrow in the soil and eat insects, worms, and spiders. It likes them as much as seeds and fruits.
Its legs are so short.
But they are powerful. You better watch out for kiwis' kicks.
Kiwis live in pairs and are in the danger of extinction.
Wait! What's that big thing?
That's an ostrich. It's the largest bird in the world. Taller than the tallest man. And its eggs. They are the biggest and toughest too.
It's flying somewhere.
Ostriches cannot fly.
What? It can get caught so easily.
An ostrich kicks its enemies and uses its clawed feet to protect itself.
Let's run after it and ask for directions.
We can never catch up with an ostrich. It is the fastest two-legged runner in the world.
Ostriches stick their head in sand to look for water.
Let's ask someone else for directions.
Meet penguins, another category of birds that cannot fly.
Those fat black and white birds?
Penguins are fat so that they can keep themselves warm. And their black and white colors help them hide from enemies in the snow and water.
Penguins have feathers.
They have shiny waterproof feathers. See their feet. They have webbed feet for swimming. They dive into the cold water to catch fish, their favorite food.
Penguins are the fastest swimming birds.
I say, guys, I'm going to become an ice block soon. Shall we go to a warmer place?
See, there is Uncle Crane wading in shallow water.
It's a large bird with a long neck and such long legs too.
Why is he so still?
Watch.
I see. Rather clever of him, huh?
It uses its sharp bill to kill small animals.
It uses its bill to eat plants too.
This bird does fly, doesn't it?
It does. But the funny thing is, in order to fly, cranes must get a running start.
Cranes migrate seasonally, flying in a V formation.
Hey! There is Aunt Swan. So white, pretty, and graceful.
Why is she stretching a long neck?
To feed on plants, roots, and leaves, and insects in the water.
All birds keep eating, do they?
Yes, birds spend most of their time looking for food. They need lots of food to get the energy to fly.
And what's that?
That's a baby swan, a cygnet.
What's that?
Don't say what's that. A baby swan is called a cygnet.
Fruitsell, you're so clever.
Fruitsell is not clever. Swans have very thick feathers to protect themselves from the cold weather.
Hey, you! Come here! Ouch! I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Shout again, and I'll spank you even harder.
You were calling me?
Yeah. Mr. This parrot here is lost. Can you help us?
Parrots live in Perky Paradise. Beyond the Flamingo Point, past Little Lake, and chirpy little woods.
Why don't you just point? In which direction we should go?
I will, only if you answer my question.
Nutsell, let's start practicing for a meeting with Broody.
Look, this is what I do all day long. I have a sharp bill. I fly quickly and low along riverbanks. I am a bird, but my name includes my food. What word does my name include? I know. You catch fish. Your name includes the word fish.
Yes, he's Uncle Kingfisher.
Good, smart fellow. Now, Go that way. Some kingfishers don't drink any water. They get enough water from the food they eat. Wasn't I smart? Huh?
It was a simple question.
It wasn't.
Ish, stop it, you two. See, there is a flamingo.
That beautiful pink bird?
It's pink because of the shrimps it eats.
What is that funny thing it's doing?
Eating. It has to turn its head upside down to eat.
Wow!
That's not the only unusual thing about flamingos. When a flamingo flies, its long neck and legs make a nearly straight line.
Flamingos have a very long neck and long pink legs with big pink webbed feet. What's happening?
Hide!
Why?
That's a bald eagle.
Bald? Because it does not have any hair?
Bald eagles are not really bald. They have white feathers on their heads. They are only called so.
Bald eagles live near water. They eat fish.
They eat small birds like me and squirrels too. Eagles' eyes are so sharp. They can see from a very great height, and their talons are powerful enough to lift a fox off the ground and carry it away.
Eagles' nests, called eyries, are built on high cliffs. They are huge in size and can weigh over a ton. We better find our way to Buggy Paradise carefully.
Don't worry, unlike that eagle, a white dove eats only seeds and will not harm you. Doves are gentle and like to live together in large groups. It's a peace-loving bird. Coo, coo, coo. Oh no!
Peace, peace.
Doves are a symbol of peace all over the world.
See, birds lay eggs in nests. Then they sit on them to give them warmth. Then the eggs hatch and out come little fledglings. Fledglings cannot fly nor feed themselves. Their parents feed them and take care of them right till the time the young ones grow up and are able to fly.
But why are you crying?
I'm missing my parents.
Don't worry, you will soon be home with them. Now, what's that sound?
Sparrows! We are in Chopper Little Woods, where sparrows live. We are closer home.
They are so noisy, but are so cheerful, chirping all day long. I think I like sparrows. They sound so happy. Sparrows eat seeds and small insects. Hold it! What's that?
Oh, that's Uncle Woodpecker. He's using his strong, straight, pointed beak to drill holes in the bark of the tree.
Whatever for?
To drink the sap coming out of the holes and find insects.
I would hate to have a woodpecker for a neighbor. Rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat, rat-a-tat all the time. No sleep in the afternoon.
Woodpeckers make their homes in trees. What a beautiful land this is! So many flowers and greenery.
Hey, I can see a bird doing flying tricks.
That's the hummingbird because its wings make a humming noise.
Fruitsell, just look at it.
It can hover in mid-air, fly sideways and backwards. It is the only bird in the world which can fly backwards.
Hummingbird's size is that of a small bee.
We better get moving.
But which way?
Ask that clever crow. He'll know which way to go.
Hey, Mr. Clever Crow. Are you clever?
Of course I am. I can even untie a knot. Ask anyone living in the city, which I help to keep clean by eating away the waste. The parrots squawk and this crow cawing. Both are so loud. Crows are social birds. They sometimes gather in hundreds.
Mr. Crow, can you show us the way to Perky Paradise?
You are very far, very, very far from there. You won't reach there for a long, long time. Fruitsell, did you hear that?
Nutsell, don't go nuts.
There is a shortcut, but it is dangerous. Tell us. You will have to go past the owl's hideout.
Owls are meat eaters. They eat squirrels too.
But the owl hunts at night and will be sleeping now.
We will tiptoe past the owl.
An owl's hearing is the sharpest amongst all the birds. You can barely hear an owl. Its soft feathers make no noise. Before we know it, we'll be in the owl's claws.
What do we do?
If we won't take the shortcut, we are in trouble.
I had heard the owl hoot in the night, and I know its stomach is full right now. Maybe he will not bother about you at all.
Let's take the risk.
Yay, let's take the risk. Be careful and quiet, my friends.
We will be.
It is awake.
Let's move fast, fast, fast.
Owls cannot see backwards or sideways, but they can turn their heads almost all the way around.
Help! 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 The owl has got me! Save me! Save me!
Quiet, Fruitsell. Nobody has got you. You have just banged your head into the tailor bird's nest.
Thank God. Where is my lucky hat?
Yeah, it fell off when you banged with that.
The tailor bird joins leaves together to form its nest. It uses its beak as a needle and certain vegetable fibers as thread.
The leaves joined together look like a bucket.
Tailor birds deposit their eggs in the pocket made of leaves and rear the young ones there. Fruitsell, hurry!
Stop! Stop! Hey! We reached! We have reached! My home is on that tree!
Where? Where?
There are my parents!
There you are. Where were you? We were so worried.
Mom! Dad! I'm so glad to see you! Quack! Quack! Mom! Dad! Meet my two friends who have helped me find my way back!
Thank you, Nutsell. Thank you, Fruitsell. Come up and have some fruit and nuts.
Of course, we should celebrate.
Hurry! The two of you, Nutsell and Fruitsell. The cloud is going to move.
Let's go.
You cannot leave my kingdom without answering my questions.
Oh, King! They have helped me find my way home!
After a lot of spanking, but they have learned to be quiet.
We know a lot about different birds. Let us go.
Quiet! You cannot break the law of my land.
Ask your questions, my lord.
What do birds eat?
Plants, insects, fish, nuts, fruits, seeds.
Which is the largest bird in the world?
Ostrich.
The smallest?
Hummingbird,
3 birds that cannot fly.
penguin, ostrich, and kiwi.
Which bird can untie a knot?
Crow.
Very good. I'm proud of you. You can go now and come again anytime you want.
Will you ask us questions again?
Of course.
It's time to go.
Bye. You'd better run.
Bye, friends. It was fun taking you around.
Bye, Paul.
Bye, Kilu. We'll come again some other day.
But right now, let's run.
Hurry! Leave! Before the cloud moves on.
How?
Pull open one of the doors.
Try this one.
Found it! Jump! Hurry!
Ouch! Nutsell, is that you?
Yes, Mom.
Where were you?
Where was I? Oh, close by, Mom. Having a good time. We did have a good time, didn't we, friend? See you soon.